Hello and good morning to all my lovely students out there. I welcome you all for today's English class. Students, I hope all of you are fit and fine by the grace of God and you all are learning many things, right? And we will be taking up module number 7 as we are continuing with that, and today we will be doing the last topic under module number 7, which is travel writing. Okay students, today's date is 9th of November 2020. So let us see what are the learning outcomes. So by the end of today's class, you'll be able to write a proper diary entry about your travel journey to different places. Okay, so diary entry we have already done, but in today's class we will see that how in that diary entry we can write about our travel writing, that is about travel journey. So you will know about it, and also you will be able to develop your creative thinking and writing skills, because while writing you need to think a lot, no? And also when you travel you see many things all around you, and then you need to incorporate, compile those things, and you have to write it in a proper manner. So it will automatically develop what? You develop your creative thinking and also your writing skills. It will improve your writing skills. So let's get started, students. Students, I'm sure that many of you must have traveled with your parents to different parts of our country, right? And whenever you think about the word travel, what comes to your mind? Just think for a while. I have written down few points over here, but it may be more than that as well, right? So what comes to your mind when you think about the word travel? So whatever comes to your mind, some of you, whenever you think about the word travel, what comes to your mind? Adventure, right? It comes like, oh, I'll be traveling, I'll have lots of fun, there will be adventure. Some of you, I'm traveling, so I need to carry a camera, right? Some backpack, I need to pack my bag, right? Some camping, I'll do camping. Some of you, oh, what excitement, I'll have a lot of excitement, right? There's so many words that comes to our mind when we think about the word travel, or whenever we think about traveling to somewhere else, right? To a new place. Now let us see, students, what is travel writing? So, meaning of travel writing? Travel writing is a form of creative non-fiction writing in which the author here is the writer, describes places they have visited and their experiences while traveling. So, what it is? In short, it is a form of very creative writing. Why you need to think it, right? Creative writing, but it is non-fiction, right? Non-fictional. Fictional means it's just imaginary. You imagine and then you imagine certain things and you write. But here in creative this travel writing, it is your experience. You have been to that place, you have met different people, you have traveled, you have seen the weather, and then whatever experience you had with different people, okay, you need to write it down. So it is called as travel writing. I'm sure many of you have traveled with your parents to different parts and to different places, right? So what you need to do while writing a travel writing, you just need to pen down your thoughts. You think about it. You don't have to elaborate everything, but the most important things and your experiences which are memorable, you tend to pen it down, you tend to write it down, right? So in short, travel writing is writing about a place that you have visited. So in simple terms, it is writing about a place which you have visited earlier, okay, your experience. It's about relaying your travel experiences to others. Means what? You have already experienced it. You have had a wonderful experience. Now, while writing travel writing, what you are doing? You are relaying it to others. That means you are writing it down for others. No, whoever reads it will experience that. Whatever you have experienced will go through that, right? So it's about relaying your travel experiences to others. It is writing about things that are exotic to others. Okay, now it means what? You are writing, you are going to somewhere, a new place, so there you are writing certain things which have really touched you. No, you have been surprised, you have been mesmerized, so you write about those things in detail, right? So it may be a visit to a famous hill station. So what are the things in the hill stations which you have seen? All right. And also you tend to think about the food which you have had, the weather, right? And the people all around which have met, even the mode of transportation. So it is very exotic for others to read. It may be a local farmers market. You went to a local farmers market. You write it down your experience. No, traveling to the local farmers market. It may be a historical site, right? A restaurant, museum, or any other place which you have traveled. So, students, as you all know what a diary entry is, right? So, when you travel to somewhere, places, to any other place, when you come down, you pen it down, you can always write the date and also pen down your thoughts or jot down your thoughts about your experience. That is called as travel writing. So, to conclude, students, I would just like to emphasize you all to write every day, even if it is just a paragraph. So, I would like to encourage you all to write. Keep on writing at least a paragraph, okay? In the morning or especially at night, going before going to bed, you pen down whatever you have experienced throughout the day, anything new you have learned, or any new experiences. You just write it down, jot it down in a diary, so that what will happen is that you'll develop the habit of writing. So, to conclude, travel writing is what? It is writing your experiences throughout the travel. It may be food, people, the climate over there, no, the atmosphere, everything which you have experienced for others to feel exotic about it. So I would encourage you all also, please write a travel history of yours, favorite, any one of your favorite place you have been, and then you have experienced something good. Just write it down in the form of a diary entry. So your homework will be uploaded in the Google Classroom. So students, keep smiling, keep learning, take care, and bye bye.